Hi. This video is going to be about making laser cut pieces, advanced joinery. That term means that you're joining materials together, and in this case the technique is called waffle because it looks like a waffle. And the goal here is if we cut all these pieces out of plywood and with slots so that they would fit together as a dovetail, then we could create a form that way. It's a method of joining the materials together. And there's many techniques, and this is just one of them, but it might be one that is going to be very useful for the work you're doing right now. So the process here is, if you see on the left, I've got an organic form that looks, kind of like a mountain or a hill. It's not a great design. It's not a bad design. It's just an example because it's organic. And the design problem here is, how do you get an organic shape from materials that are flat and the laser cutter, which only cuts things in one dimension? So that's what we're looking at. So that's the goal. Have a friction fit pieces of plywood that are going to fit together. And I'll take you through the steps in the remaining videos after this one. And a couple of things you need to be aware of when you're designing. So if you have a definite size you want, like in this example, I'm just using 12 by 12 inches because it's a demo and it makes things simple. And you can imagine this just being like 1-inch square spaces. Okay, so the technique here is we're going to make cross sections of that form, and each cross section is then going to be a 2D image that can be laser cut when the images go to Illustrator, and then that Illustrator file can be prepared in the format you need for laser cutting. So that's what we're going to be doing. So it's called waffle because it looks like a waffle. Probably doesn't taste like a waffle, but you get the point.